In this example, we will create a rule to generate an alert for any high-risk or suspicious e-commerce transactions from large online merchants such as Google and PayPal. Transactions executed by fraudsters buying digital goods using compromised or stolen accounts online will be subsequently identified. In order to generate such alerts in VRM, a case creation rule is required. First, click on the Rules Admin tab. Select Case Creation from the Rules Type dropdown and click Create New Rule. Then give this rule a name, for instance, Large Fraud E-commerce Merchants. Then give a meaningful description to alert any high-risk e-commerce transaction from large online merchants. Now add a definition. This will take you to the Rule Definition Edit Criteria page. In order to identify specific card not present transactions, choose Moto ECI Recurring from the Parameter drop-down menu. For operator, select In and the values as shown. To choose the MCC, you can either input the code directly into the field or key in the description and click Find First. By clicking Find First, the corresponding description will then be found. Once you have verified the correct code has been selected, click the Add to Criteria List button. The transaction amount must now be set. Select Transaction Amount from the Select Parameter dropdown. For operator, select more than or equal to, and $100 as the value. Once complete, click Add and Update. Now, add the optional criteria to help you identify transactions from either of the merchants considered in the example scenario. For optional criteria 1, choose Merchant Name as the parameter. For operator, select Contains and Google as the value. Once complete, click Add. For optional criteria 2, again choose Merchant Name as the parameter. For operator, select Like and Start Position 1, PayPal as the values. Once complete, click Add and Update. The rule criteria definitions have been created and so can proceed to the processing options. Select Create Case as the action and Always as the time frame. The case creation rule has been created to alert any high-risk e-commerce transactions from large online merchants such as Google or PayPal. Please refer to the Rule Criteria Quick Reference Guide to review the full description of these useful operands, namely Like and Contains. Please always test your rule, assess the results, and activate the rule only after you have determined that the rule meets your objective. Rule activation will follow a batch cycle, where activation takes place every 15 minutes from the top of the hour.